In this video we are going to do some network analysis questions, and these questions are very important for UGC NET JRF Electronic Science 2021. So first question is, the pole of a reactive functions lies on which axis? So as we all know, a reactive functions means that the network is composed of only L and C. Since there is no resistance, so L and C, since there is no resistance, that's why poles lie on J omega axis. So J omega axis is imaginary axis, that is J omega, that is sigma. It is called real and it is called imaginary. Okay, so the pole of reactive function lies on this axis. So the correct answer will be A, lie on J omega axis. Okay. Second question is, for the two-port network of the figure, the voltage transfer ratio in S domain. So we have to calculate the gain, voltage gain in S domain. So voltage gain is nothing but it is a ratio of output voltage to the input voltage. So we have to calculate this ratio. Now if in terms of frequency domain, or we can say S domain, a Laplace domain, the C is capacitance is 1 by SC. So we can write, if I am redrawing the circuit, we can write 1 by SC, and this is R, this is input voltage and this is output voltage. Okay, so if I apply the voltage division rule in this terminal, on this terminal A and B, so it will be V2S, output voltage will be 1 by SC into V1 input voltage divided by 1 by SC plus R. Now if you will solve this part, you will get V2S by V1S is equal to 1 by RCS plus 1. Okay, so if we will see the options here, answer will be B. Okay, now the third question is, the power dissipated in 4 ohm resistance in figure. Okay, so this is a figure. So here we can see 3 ampere current is going by this branch, so it will divide in both of the branch. So here is 1 ampere. If we have to calculate the current through 4 ohm, so it will be 3 ampere minus 1 ampere, because here is current, total current is 3 ampere. So current through 4 ohm will be 3 ampere minus 1 ampere, so it will be 2 ampere. Okay, now we have got the current through 4 ohm, so the power relation, the formula of power in terms of current and resistance, it is I square R. Okay, so power will be I, we have the I 2 ampere and the resistance is 4 ohm. So it will be 4 into 4, 16 watt. Okay, so the correct answer will be 16 watt.